Distraction is my weakness. It is always there, on the edge of my being,
down,
lurking,
left,
waiting
right,
for a chance to
below,
strike and have
above,
me lose my way.
here, there,
I fall off the path
everywhere.
too easily,
Everything
and it's
is
so hard
loud,
to find my way
down,
back.
busy, left,
All I have to do is
I
eliminate
am assaulted
distraction.
by noise.
There are so
I
many
become
more
lost
things I could
everywhere.
do.
Pollution,
Music is my
obligation,
outlet.
instruction,
It manipulates my
dictation,
emotion like a
distraction,
hand that's dough.
talking, humming,
It
yelling,
forces me to focus
birds,
on one thing.
buses, trams, trains, traffic, crossing, walking. It surrounds me. You can easily close your eyes. You can't easily block your ears. It's not that I want to hear nothing. It's that I want to hear less.